Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I have a craft haul from my scrap cabin shop on Etsy. They have the most beautiful seam binding. I just received a package the other day and I can't wait to share it with you. First, I wanted to show you the package that it comes in. I think this bag is so pretty. I'm going to take this out, arrange my seam binding, and then I'll be right back. These are the two packages that came in my order. I purchased the Mega Bundle, which contains all of the colors featured in her store, including the new colors. I made my initial purchase about a year ago, and I only have a few colors left, primarily of the darker colors, but I thought the Mega Bundle was such a great deal that I went ahead and ordered it again. And I also have a special discount code, so if you purchase the Mega Bundle, you can receive a 10% discount simply by using Robyn 10, all in capital letters. That's Robyn 10. I'm going to take some of the seam binding out of the bag so we can review the colors. These are all of the beautiful colors in the first package. There are 25 individual bundles, and I've tried to organize them in color waves. So you have this beautiful light mint green, which goes into a darker color, and then a turquoise. You have a light and a dark blue. Then you have your greens, your browns. Here you have the pinks, corals, and reds. And then you have these beautiful purples and lilac colors. And there are 5 different colors in this family here. You've got a light and a dark gray. And then here on the bottom, let me pull this up, you've got your lighter and darker yellows and then white. Now, this binding is crinkled. She does offer an option to have it just straight. So if you don't like the crinkle, you can have it straight without the crinkles. I prefer the crinkles because I love the texture. And then when I want to change things up a bit, what I'll do is just take a light iron and then iron out the piece that I need to get a different effect. So I'm going to clear this off and then I'll show you what's in my second bag. This is the second bag, and there are also 25 bundles here. Here you have more of the deeper, rich jewel tone colors, although you do have some repeat colors. You have this light pink and a slightly darker pink. These happen to be the most popular colors that people use in seam binding. Here you have the deeper mauves. You have another lavender, although this is slightly darker than the ones in the first package. You have more corals, this red, and then a deep burgundy. Here you have neutrals and a black. And then here on the bottom, you have this light yellow, a tan, more of a goldenrod, and an orange. And then you have another assortment of blues, and these are different than the ones that I showed you in the first package. And you have 5 different color waves of the green. So as you can see, these colors are absolutely beautiful. They're extremely versatile and they will last you quite a long time. Because the seam binding is crinkled, when you stretch it out, you get an awful lot in each package. So this will last you some time. I really think the Mega Bundle is the best way to go. Although you can purchase individual colors, you can also purchase individual color packs such as peaches, pinks, and other pastels. Plus she's always coming out with new colors. But again, I think the Mega Bundle is the best way to go because you get a little bit of everything. And these are all colors that you will use in your crafting all year round, whether it's Easter, it's Christmas, it's summer, fall. You have so many beautiful color options. Once again, please feel free to use my coupon code ROBYN10, that's all in capital letters, to receive a 10% discount off the Mega Bundle purchase. This concludes my review of my beautiful seam binding from my scrap cabin shop on Etsy. I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. If you make a purchase, please do tell them that Robyn Pitts from Sir Chauncey Rocco sent you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting.